pala ng best friend ko. Bionic ID Artist. Bionic ID Artist.
You said that we'd be fine no matter what we face. My best friend knew my stories, every smile upon my face. I trusted both of you with everything I had. Never thought the two I love would leave me feeling sad. Late night conversations, all the secrets that we shared. I never saw the signs, I never was prepared. Now I see your pictures together hand in hand, trying to understand what I can't understand. Was I the last to know? Did everybody see? While I was holding on, you were letting go of me. Kayo na pala ng best friend ko, at ako'y naiwan dito. Habang kayo'y masayang magkasama, ako'y unti-unting nawawala. Kayo na pala ng best friend ko, pareho kong pinagkatiwalaan. Hindi ko alam kung sino ang iiyak ko, ang minahal ko, ang kaibigan ko. I remember all the moments, laughing side by side. Never thought I'd have a reason to feel I had to hide. You told me he was family, she said I'd always stay, but forever turned to memories that slowly slipped away. Now every place reminds me of the people that I knew, the version of my life before I lost the both of you. And though I try to hate you for the things you've done to me, a part of me still wishes for the way we used to be. Kayo na pala ng best friend ko, at hindi man lang sinabi. Sa iba ko pa nalaman ng lahat, parang biglang tumigil ang aking daigdig. Kayo na pala ng best friend ko, at wala na akong magagawa. Kung saan kayo sasaya, pipilitin kong tanggapin kahit masakit pa. Yeah.
Bionic ID Artist.
Dalawang taong mahal ko, parehong nawala. Isang kumusta na lang, hindi na tulad ng dati na masaya. Hindi ako galit, nalulungkot ng siguro, kasi ang akala kong habang buhay natapos ng ganito. Best friend, alam mo lahat ng mga pangarap ko. Ikaw pa ang nagsabi na iingatan niya ako, pero ngayon magkahawak na ang mga kamay nyo, habang ako tinatanong ang sarili kung saan ba ako nagkulang. Pero balang araw, tatawa rin ako, hindi na masasaktan sa tuwing maririnig ang mga pangalan nyo. At kapag dumating ang araw na iyon, magiging maayos din ako, dahil kahit iniwan nyo ako, hindi ko iiwan ang sarili ko.
Maybe some people only meant to stay for a while, to teach us how to cry before we learn to smile. And though this chapter hurts more than I can say, I'll find the strength to walk away. Kayo na pala ng best friend ko, at ito na ang huling awit para sa inyo. Hindi man naging tayong ang dulo, salamat sa mga alaalang totoo. Kayo na pala ng best friend ko, at panahon na para bumitaw. Habang kayo'y nagsisimula ng bagong kwento, ako na may matututong bumangon muli ngayon.
Bionic ID Artist. Sa minahal mo at sa kaibigan mong pinagkatiwalaan mo, minsan hindi ang pagtatapos ang pinakamasakit, kundi ang malaman na magkasama na pala sila.